Alrighty, so he got a little impatient, so we're going to take a second take here. I got my iodine on there, I got it cleaned up as best as possible, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fake gauze here and put a little bit of iodine here and onto the paper towels. And I'm going to place it over his foot like so and put the iodine right over his abscessed area. And then I'm going to grab my more dry gauze and put it here. And then next what I do is I have vet wrap to keep everything in place. It's not always going to be the prettiest wrap job on the feet. It's a very odd shape for these guys. So I try to bring it around as best as possible. Try to get everything covered. This also helps with just a little bit of padding, because when they walk on those abscesses, it's not always the most comfortable thing in the world. So having a little bit of cushion on that sore spot, it always feels nice to them. And then just to keep everything as dry as possible and try to keep the bandage to last at least a day or so, depending on where the abscess is at in its healing. We'll change it every day or every other day. And so I like to use a little bit of duct tape just to kind of keep all the moisture out. We did have rain a couple days ago, and his pin has dried up a little bit. So I'm not too concerned about moisture getting in here. Again, not the prettiest wrap job in the world, but enough to keep the moisture out from the bottom. And keep it as closed off as possible. I can go ahead and let him put his foot down now. Good boy. And that is how we take care of abscesses in horses' hooves. Thanks for joining us.